Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we'll explore how to generate documents using the EDI framework in Odoo. In this video, I'll guide you through the essential steps to generate exchange records by code and creation of a generate component for complex cases. Let's get started. First of all, we'll create a new module uh, to add all this information. In this case, I generated the EDI output demo. There, I added three files. For instance, I have the component, the data for the EDI, and the model. On the EDI file, we will create the backend type, the exchange type, and backend. All of them are important in order to process everything properly. For the backend type, we'll use the demo for video output, and on the exchange type, it is important to define another code. It might be the same, it's not a problem. Set it is an output because we are creating a file to send it later, and then we should set the exchange file name, pattern, and extension. This is important in order to have the proper file name. In this case, we can reuse the record name, and DT it's for timestamp in order to avoid that collision of these file names. Then we can go and define the component. In order to do that, we need to create a component that inherits from the EDI component output mixin that has a usage called output generate and should define the same codes that we had on the backend type and exchange type. In this case, it has already been done. And then we need to define the generate function. This function should return the file data. So, I already have one small example of how to do it. So, we'll generate a JSON file. How will we do that? Okay, so we will get the exchange record and the related record, and we will create a dictionary with a pattern ID and the name. And we will dump it in a JSON. This can be changed to fit your needs. And finally, we'll go to sale order and add the code to to generate this record. We have multiple options there, but in this case, I will reuse the action confirm. So once we confirm a sale order, we will get the backend and the exchange type, check if the file has already been sent, and if it has not been sent, we will generate a new document. So how will we do that? So we will do it step by step. So for each record, we will get the backend. In this case, I used directly the backend that we defined in the EDI, but for complex cases, we could have a backend defined inside the partner on a specific field. This could be useful if we are trying if we have different kinds of backends. So imagine that for each customer we have a different SFTP, so we define the backend directly on the partner. Now we will get the exchange type in a similar way, and now we are going to check if the file, if the exchange type has already been created. In this case, if we already have the exchange record related to this backend and exchange type, we will avoid to send it again. And finally, we will create the exchange record. It is interesting to manually generate the document with a cron. So we have here the with delay. This is useful in order to avoid that it takes too much to generate the exchange record. And this will be useful for us in this example in order to avoid that everything goes properly. So now we save it and we install this module. It will take a few seconds, so we just need to wait until everything has been done. In this case, I will restart the container, and then we can go to the browser. There, if we go to the sales and we generate a new sale order, for example, to DecoAddict, and we add something, it doesn't matter. When I confirm it, you can see that the EDI record has been created automatically, and it's waiting to be sent. Also, it is important to check that it will not be generated every time that we recreate or reconfirm the sale order. So if we cancel it and we try to confirm it again, the new EDI is not created. Last, we should check that the file has the expected format. So we go there, we go to the Exchange file, and we can download it. There, we can check the file, and we can see that it's the JSON that we expected. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.